Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. So viewers, today I am back with very beautiful and very stylish useful collection of floral print belted skater dress. In this video you will see the most classy design of belted floral skater dress, mini skater dress, knee-length dresses, and I hope you are gonna love this collection because all these collections are so stunning, so stylish and classy. Viewers, this video gonna very useful for those who love to wear floral print, skater dresses. You can get many ideas and many design of skater dresses in this video, so please watch video till the end. I hope that you are gonna love this collection. You can see different design and skater dresses in this video in different styles, different printed, different design, half sleeve, full sleeve, stylish skater dress design as you can see in this video. Viewers, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications, and if you like video, please share it